If you're a video editor making 1, 3, 5K per month, watch this video until then, because I'm going to give you my honest advice and my honest experience why I decided to switch from being just a video editor working for others. And honestly, I work with really good individuals such as Maurits, pretty qualified people, so good clients. I decided to pretty much drop them and start my own journey, building my content agency and building something for myself. So to give you a bit of introduction, I started my editing journey 1 year ago, last summer 2024. Before that, I was trying some businesses, going from one thing to other thing, trying, but editing was the thing that I found myself. I was always in this creative space, so that's why I thought editing was the best thing. And I joined a few mentorship program to learn the skill first, because I was just beginning, probably, as you know. So I had zero experience in Premiere Pro, zero experience in After Effects, and I started learning September 2024. And I remember, the days just sitting in front of my PC and figuring out the program. I didn't know anything, literally, like watching this timeline effects. I was like, how I'm supposed to learn this? But honestly, after, I would say, few weeks, 1-2 months, I started getting better in just Premiere Pro. We're not talking about After Effects, just Premiere Pro. The most important thing that helped me was just being forced to learn, because I had clients, so I had to learn. Before that, I was just working in CapCut, and then I had to transition to Premiere Pro and learn these skills again, pretty much learn to edit on the same and even better level. So I learned, Premiere Pro, and I was really happy, knowing how to use Premiere Pro. However, then After Effects was second, let's say, step in my editing journey. This was like December 2024. I jumped into After Effects and I had zero clue what I was doing, and even the keybinds and overall, like, all panels were kinda similar to Premiere Pro. I had zero idea how to do any of these, flash animations, 3D editing, literally zero experience. I was learning from my coaches, from mentors, and I put myself into uncomfortable situation to work with good clients who expect me to deliver good results. However, I didn't know to deliver good results, so I was forced to learn. And about a few weeks after, let's say, After Effects took more time, like 2-3 months, but I was able to conquer this program on pretty solid level, to the point where I can do like animations and I can handle 95% of all the projects really good. I got opportunity to work with really great clients, started working, 1 month even I had like 3K per month, March, so a few months ago, hit 3K, and was working with really good qualified individuals, really good brands. But I was like, I've been working for these 3K per month, like entire month, and a lot of stress, a lot of work overall, not having time to invest in any other things. Even for one period, I was like, I wasn't going to the gym properly because I had to finish some videos, vlogs, talking head videos. All these people there, for example, in InfoSpace, they make some programs, they build their social media platforms, they sell this info, and they're making even more money than me. And I was like, how can I scale this if I have like few clients, 2-3 clients? Okay, I'm making 3K, but I don't have time, I don't have space for more clients. This is the problem. And I'm like, I have to find some solution, because I don't want, even if it's 3K, I don't want to work for the entire month not having the ability to scale. I was like, I have to find solution. So solution A was build some type of info coaching program for editing. This is one solution. However, I was like, I can do this, but content agency and SMMA overall is the thing that I chose. So content agency is the solution for this problem, because it's scalable. It's pretty much editing but applying leverage, which means you differentiate yourself from time and you can scale. You can take as much clients as you can, as you possibly can, and you pretty much outsource this work, this delivery process to other editors. So while they're working on these clients' videos, you pretty much just focus on growing your social media, doing more outreach, handling, and closing more clients, and pretty much you scale. So I just wanna like open your mind and say to you that yeah, if you're an editor, if you really do enjoy editing videos for others, just working behind brands, totally okay. And if you're making like because with editing you can make like few thousand a month, like 2, 3, 5, you'll have to work a lot, and it's no problem working a lot, but like not having the ability to scale while others are scaling. So if you are in this position that I was, just understand that you're in business, and especially if you got into this online business thing to build something for yourself, understand that you're pretty much working for others. If you're just editor, it won't fulfill you. Yeah, just want to let you know, I hope this video helped you, and if you're now struggling with this time editing just videos for others, you're not alone, and you're meant for more, because you understand this. Some people just don't understand it, and they're like, okay, I'm just gonna continue to edit. But if you understand that others are using you, that you have ability to make more money, to scale even more, to make more progress and help more clients, then you're on a great path. Definitely you can get into something more serious, which is building an agency. So yeah, this is just one situation that I found myself to be in a few months ago, and I just want to share this experience with you, how I transitioned pretty much from just editor to kind of like now building my agency and building something for myself. Also on top of that, I started building my brand. It's also a scalable thing with leverage. Leverage means you differentiate yourself from time pretty much, and you work on something that can explode for like brand, like agency. So I hope that this video was helpful to you if you're now in the same situation. Peace out, and I'm just gonna document my journey and continue this whole process. So see you. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.